I really can't believe that so many people are still working in this old way, selling their time to their boss every day to get a salary in return. Thankfully though, there are much better ways to earn money that are available online. I still remember the day I realized this myself. I had a good job and a decent enough salary working as a supply chain manager at the time. But truth be told, I was never really fulfilled. I hated being trapped in the office every day. I hated not having enough time to work on my fitness, and I never really had enough time to spend with the people that I loved. You know those motivational videos that we all like to watch? So one night I was coming back home from work and I needed to watch one of those to give me some perspective, and instead I ended up watching an ad from an Australian guy that basically told me that he was in a very similar situation and managed to make this online endeavor work for him. He offered a free video workshop series where his mentor Stuart explains that any person with the right mindset could start their own online business from scratch. Now, of course, I was a little bit skeptical, but I decided that at least I'm gonna watch the free workshop series and build my own opinion. And honestly, I'm so glad that I did, because it's completely changed my life. Today, I'm at a point in my journey where I want to do the same for others, and I want to be there for you to help you on your journey. If anyone who watches this video wants to start their own online business from scratch, I'm more than happy to send them the exact same video series this man sent me. Of course, for free. This is how I got them. I will leave a link somewhere around this video so you can click on it, enter your name and email, and I will send you the workshop series directly to your email inbox. If you're someone who's open to trying new things and you're willing to put in some work and effort in order to stop selling your time for money and instead start working for yourself online, then I highly recommend that you check out those videos and just decide for yourself if it's something for you or not. This is what I've done, and honestly, it was the best decision I've ever made.